Hi everyone and welcome back. So today we're going to take a look at Unit 6.13, Surface Area of Pyramids, and this is on page 615. Alright, so just to give you a heads up, I did use some out of a different book, so if you do go back in and look into the regular textbook, you're going to notice it's probably just a little bit different. So just to kind of give you a heads up on that. Let's go ahead and look at our objectives for today. So what we're going to take a look at here is just exactly what it says. We're going to find the surface area of pyramids. Okay, we're going to find the surface area of pyramids. Okay, and I just noticed on my thing here that this should be plus b, so I'm just going to white this out. 1/2 PL plus b. So we'll do it like that. There we go. Looks kind of weird, but anywho, there we go. Okay, so sorry, I must have typed that one in wrong. Okay, so basically it's 1/2, okay, P, and this is actually a cursive L, and then plus B. All right, so let's take a look here at the first one. So these are actually not too bad. I kind of like doing these. They're kind of weird, but they're not too bad. All right, so let's begin here. So we have 1/2 PL plus B. All right, so we know 1/2 means 0.5, or you can divide your answer by 2 when you're done. You can do it that way too. Okay, we learned from last time, P stands for perimeter. So to find the perimeter, we will do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, or you can do, in this case, 4 times 4, which is 16. Okay? Times 16. Okay, now we have L, okay, cursive L. So that's a new one for us. Cursive L stands for slant height. Okay, so our slant height in this case is 9. Okay, it's usually really easy to find. Okay, when you get into upper math, you'll have to find it, which takes a little bit. Either you use the Pythagorean theorem on it, or you'll use trig ratios to find it. Okay, and then plus b, so the area of the base. So 4 times 4, it's 16, which just happens to be the same as the other one. Okay, it's obviously not always like that. It just happens to work that way on this one. All right, so let's go ahead and type that in then. So it should be 0.5 times 16 times 9 plus 16. We should get 88. So it's 88. We're finding surface area. So again, that's inches squared, or square inches. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. The next one. It says find the total surface area of the pyramid with a base area of 111 square meters. All right. So for this one, again, we have 1/2 PL plus B. 1/2 PL plus B. So 1/2 is 1/2. Okay, or 0.5, I should have wrote probably, but that's okay. All right, then we're going to do the perimeter. So for the perimeter, we would do 16 times 3. Okay, which is, let's see, 1848. Times that slant height, that's 20. Again, usually it's no secret. They give it to you pretty plain. And then plus, and then we got to find the area of the base. Well, they were nice enough to tell us it was 111. Okay, so the reason why they had to tell us this time was because this is actually, this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, we have 16 by 16 by 16. So since all three sides are actually the same, it's not, you can't find the area of it like you normally would, which is 1/2 base times height. You could if they gave you all the information, but they didn't. So what you would end up having to do is you'd have to find your center, and then you'd have to I calculate using either Pythagorean theorem, trig ratios, stuff like that, and then you have to do like kind of like the 5-step plan by using 1/2 PA because it's a regular one. So they just went ahead and told you what it is. All right, so let's actually calculate this then. So it's 0.5 times 48 times 20 plus 111. All right, and I came up with 591. That's meters, and we're squaring it since it's surface area. Okay, now let's do the next one. Okay, again, find the surface area, so it's 1/2 PL plus B, so 1/2. Okay, we gotta find the perimeter, so this time we gotta count 10 plus 10 plus 10, so that makes 30. Times, and then find that slant height, that would be 12. Plus, and then this time they did not give us capital B, so we're going to have to find it. So capital B would be 1/2 little b h. Okay, remember 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 is still 1/2. Okay, the base is 10. And then the height right here is the 8.75. Or 8.7, sorry, I don't know where I got the 5 from, 8.7. 8.7, there we go. Okay, so let's calculate that. So we know 1/2 of 10 is 5, so 5 times 8.7, 43.5. Okay, 43.5. Okay, so then we're going to do 1/2 of 30 times 12 plus 43.5, and we get 223.5, and that's going to be square feet. Okay, let's go ahead and move on. Okay, go ahead and try the 2 guided questions by yourself, and let's see what you guys can do. All right, let's take a look. So for the first one, we got find the surface area of a square pyramid that has a slant height of 8 centimeters and a base length of 5. So if it's a square pyramid, so again, we got 1/2 PL plus B. We know 1/2. Okay. It says it's a square, and each side is, let's see, slant height's 8, base length's 5. Okay, so 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, it would be 20. And times that slant height, again, that's 8 plus, and then area of the base. So the base length is 5, so 5 times 5 would be 25. So let's see, we got 1/2 of 20 times 8 plus 25, and that gives us 105. And that it was in centimeters, so square centimeters. Okay, this time they gave us the picture, so we've got 1/2 PL plus B. We've got 1/2. The perimeter is 12 and 12 and 12, so that'd be 36. Slant height is 15. Again, that's always the easy part. And then we got to find the area of the base. So to find the area of my base, it's going to be 1/2 of the base, which is 12, times the height, which is 10.4. Oops, it should have been 12. I don't know why I put a B there. Times 10.4. Okay, so 1/2 of 12 times 10.4, 62.4. There, okay. Let's find the whole thing. So 1/2 of 36 times 15 plus 62.4, and that's 332.4. And that's meters squared. There we go, there's that one. Okay, we'll go ahead and circle these since they're kind of all together there. So you can see there's 2 different questions. All right, let's keep going. Okay, it says Sal is wrapping gift boxes that are square pyramids for party favors. They have a slant height of 3 inches and base edges 2.5 inches long. How many square inches of cardstock are used to make one gift box? All right, so we've got a square pyramid, and each of those is 2.5 inches long. So 1/2 PL plus B. So 1/2. Okay, the perimeter is, or one side of the base is, or one base is 2.5, one edge. So 2.5 and 2.5 would be 5. Double that then for the other side, so that would be 10. Times that by your slant height, so the slant height would be 3. Plus, and then we got to calculate the area of the base, so we got to take 2.5 times 2.5, which is 6.25. Let's type all that in. So 0.5 times 10 times 3 plus 6.25. 21.25. And that would be inches squared. Okay? All right, let's try the last one by ourselves. You guys need to draw pictures, okay? I can automatically visualize it in my head. So if you can't visualize it, then draw a picture of a square pyramid and draw all this stuff out, okay? So go ahead and pause it and try this one. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. So it says Amato purchased a bottle of perfume that is in the shape of a square pyramid. The slant height of the bottle is 4.5 inches. And the base is 2 inches, so find the surface area. All right, so again, we got 1/2 PL plus B. So we got 1/2 here. Again, we got to find what the edge is. So the base length is 2 inches, so 2, 2, 2, and 2. So 2 times 4 would be 8. That slant height, again, they tell it to you, it's 4.5. Now we gotta find the area of the base. So the area, or each base is 2 inches long. So 2 times 2 would be 4. Okay, so we would have 1/2 of 8 times 4.5 plus 4. And that's gonna give us 22. That would be inches then, squared. There we go. All right, that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching. Give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.